Good evening. I will wait a little bit for some people to jump in. Go ahead and say hi if you're here so that we know you're here. Today we're going to talk about daily tools for healthy living. Mainly I'm going to be talking about supplements and some of the top 10 oils that doTERRA sells. So that you guys can get a feel for overall wellness and what I do each day in order to help get through the day. So the first thing that I want to talk about is doTERRA's Lifelong Vitality Pack. So this is the daily supplements that James and I both take. Every morning and every evening we take half of the dosage so that we're continuing to feed our body throughout the day. The Lifelong Vitality Pack is made up of 3 different supplements. You can see them here. It's the Alpha CRS, the XE Omega, and the Microplex VMZ. So the entire kit comes as a bundle with the 3. You take all of them throughout the day together in combination, and they each have different things in them so that they can help benefit you in different ways. So I want to give you guys a little bit of information on it. The first one I'm going to talk about is the Alpha CRS here on the, I guess your left side. I don't know. This is the Cellular Vitality Complex. The center is the XE Omega, which is the essential oil, and you're going to get your omegas from that. And then the right-hand side, to me, I guess, I'm not sure, is the Microplex VMZ, which this is the food nutrient complex. So these are set up to actually be bioavailable. So rather than most supplements that you would buy off the shelf, that you take them and then you end up just peeing out all of the supplements because your body doesn't understand and doesn't know how to handle and take in those supplements. A lot of times those will go straight through us, but doTERRA's Lifelong Vitality Pack is actually designed to be bioavailable. So that means that your body is actually recognizing these things as food and as nutrients that your body needs and can actually increase the absorption. So that's awesome for us. It's really good to be helpful for our bodies. So some of the benefits that a lot of people have when they take these is better sleep, better rest, because your body is actually getting the nutrients that it needs, because most of our diets don't have the nutrients that we need. So you're going to get better rest, good immune support function. So this combination is really good for balancing your overall health, stress management, cardiovascular health, both energy and good overall like function of your body. So you're going to find that your hair, your skin, your nails looks better and feels better. You're going to find that your body seems to be having more energy and getting up in the morning. So that's all things that we found with the Lifelong Vitality Pack. One of my favorite things about this Lifelong Vitality Pack, if you're nervous about trying it and investing the money in it and then not getting any results, is that doTERRA actually does a 30-day money-back guarantee. So it's even right here on the side of their box. They're that serious about their 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can actually take the full set of supplements for 30 days and return them your empty bottles if you're not satisfied and get your full money back. So they're that serious about this Lifelong Vitality Pack. It's actually their #1 seller. So as an essential oil company, you would think that doTERRA's #1 seller would be an essential oil. But in reality, it's actually the Lifelong Vitality Pack. Yes, there's essential oils in the pack. So I guess in one way or another, essential oils will always be their #1 product, but it's not like lavender or whatever you're thinking. It's actually this Lifelong Vitality Pack. So when I order the Lifelong Vitality Pack, I order it in this combo set that comes with all 3 bottles. And doTERRA allows me to add on 3 additional products at a reduced cost. So I want to talk about a couple of those that we add in periodically. I always make sure that I add in TerraZyme. So this is the digestive enzymes. This really helps your body to break down the foods and absorb your foods. So these are great. I take one morning and night with my other supplements with the Lifelong Vitality Pack and everything else that I'm taking. But you can also take them in between with every meal that you're taking to help increase your absorption. So you can take 1 to 3 capsules with each of your meals in order to help your digestion. The other thing that I'll add on is the PB Assist. So this is the PB Assist Plus. This is geared towards adults. They're in a capsule form, and they're actually double encapsulated. So you can see here that there's the little green capsule inside of the clear capsule. So that helps to allow the inside, the good stuff in the probiotic to actually get all the way in through your system. A lot of probiotics fall apart long before they make it to your digestion because your stomach acid and stuff eats away at the probiotic. So it doesn't normally make it all the way to where it needs to be beneficial. And so doTERRA has double encapsulated their probiotics so that the first layer, makes it through the stomach acid, and then the inner core actually makes it into your digestive tract where it needs to be beneficial to you. So these are geared towards adults. They also have the PB Assist Junior. So these are actually like a pixie stick, and you just cut them open, and I just dump them in my mouth and take them just like you would a pixie stick. They have a strawberry melon flavor, and they actually taste really good. A lot of kids think of them as their sugars because they taste so sweet, and they're good kind of like dessert to give your kids after their meal to help boost their absorption of their food and help their little guts to know how to handle all of the foods that we're giving them. So I tend to switch back and forth between the adult version and the PB Assist Junior just because they have different strains of the probiotic that's in it. So they're going to be giving me different enzymes and that type of stuff into my stomach. So I'll rotate back and forth every 30 days or whatever I feel like doing. I always keep a box of these just like this, easy grab and go on my countertop. So if people are over and they want them or want to try them, or if we're just feeling like we're having a rough day with our stomachs, I'll always cut open an extra one and throw that in, even if I'm already taking my regular adult version, and there's nothing wrong with that. Another product that I always add in to my Lifelong Vitality Pack when I get it is this Mito 2 Max. So this is the energy and stamina complex. This is actually kind of a good replacement for coffee in the morning. We take one of these each morning. You can take 1 or 2 depending on personal preference, but we just take one in the morning to kind of help wake us up and boost our energy throughout the day. And you can also use it as like a mid-afternoon slump when you would normally turn to your coffee, your energy drinks, your sodas, and go find a nice snack. You can turn to this instead to kind of help boost your energy. So I always add on a bottle of Mito 2 Max to make sure that we never run out, because we take those each day. And then this isn't an add-on that you can add, but it is something that we're taking every day. So this is the Slim and Sassy Metabolic Blend. And so this is a combination of oils to help promote weight loss and healthy, natural function of that weight loss, and not to just rush your body into it. It helps to boost your metabolism, helps to cut cravings, and help deal with your sugar. So we actually take these morning and night, but you can take up to about 5 of them a day if you want with your meals throughout the day. So we've also been taking those. And then the last supplement that I take, and I don't take this every day because I don't need it every day, but this is TriEase. This is the seasonal blend. So the seasonal blend, or TriEase, is known as lemon, lavender, and peppermint. that helps your body to deal with seasonal threats and things that you may come in contact with. So maybe you take a Zyrtec or an Allegra or a Claritin every day. This would be a good natural replacement for those types of things in order to help your body to deal with those seasonal threats that it comes in contact with, depending on the type of year that we're having and how the days are going. Last week I added this in every single day because I was coming down with something and fighting something that was sinus related. So I was adding one of these every morning to help get my day started with that. So if I need it, I'll take one. If not, but I do like to encourage people who are on those other over-the-counter options to look into this and try this if that's something that you're wanting to switch to a more natural approach. Lemon, lavender, and peppermint is the seasonal threat combo. So you can do the oils in a shot, in a roller bottle. You can do it in the supplement. However you prefer to take it are all good options. So that's the main gist of what I wanted to get on and talk to you guys about tonight. I am running a special this month. So if you get started with any of our kits, which I've got one here if you want to see. This is the Home Essentials kit. It's my favorite kit, and it's the kit I got started with. But it comes with this cute petal diffuser. So all you have to do is you've got your button here for your mist, and you just push that, and then it's got a button for the light. So this is the first diffuser that I got, and I actually still completely functioning and love it. It's a super convenient, easy way, and the light on the top is really good as a nightlight for kids. If they're needing that, or if you want to put it in your bathroom or something where you want a little light in the middle of the evening. The Home Essentials kit comes with that diffuser, and then it also comes with the top 10 oils that doTERRA sells. So I'm just going to quickly run through these, not that it's really what my goal was to talk about tonight, but just so that you've got an idea. So you're going to get that lemon, lavender, and peppermint that we just talked about, which is good for seasonal threats. You're going to get all three of those in the blend or in this kit. So that is a great starter. We talked about on Monday the lavender for your after sun care, peppermint for cooling and tension. Your lemon is going to be good for digestion, good for cleansing your fruits and vegetables, all that type of stuff. So you're going to get those three. And then the other singles that you're going to get, there's 4 blends and 6 singles. So the other 3 singles is you're going to get Melaleuca, which this is tea tree oil as most people commonly know it. Really good for all things hair, skin, nails, cuts, breakouts, anything like that. You're going to turn to your Melaleuca. Even for little buggies in the hair, this is great to put in your kids' shampoo so that they don't deal with that. Even though we're in the summertime, that back to school time will hit. So be prepared. The other thing that comes in the top 10 is oregano. So I love to use this if I have any sores on my tongue or anything that is going on that I can't seem to get to subside. It actually will numb the area, which is really awesome. And the oregano is also really good for any type of fungus. So on your toenails or anything, you could use oregano on that. So it's a really good immune support booster. So it's always in my immune support blend. I add it to all of those blends that I make. And then the 6th single that you're going to get is frankincense. So frankincense is the king of oils. Why do you think that they gave baby Jesus gold, frankincense, and myrrh? Because they knew how important this was. Frankincense is the king of oils. It's what we turn to for anything. It's a go-to for any cellular health, any stress, anxiety, all those types of things. A drop under the tongue in the morning, which is why I have the dropper top, is great for that. And then we'll move on to the blends. So the Home Essentials kit comes with 4 blends. So my favorite blend, and the reason that I got the kit, was Breathe. Breathe is the respiratory blend. So the respiratory blend is great for all things. I had a lot of congestion when I got started, and so I place a drop on my chest. It really helps to open my airways, allow me to get that function back for my lungs and that type of thing. So that was my get started with oils oil. The second quick thing that I fell in love with in the kit was the DigestZen blend. So this is the digestive blend. It's really good for all things tummy. If you've got either end of the spectrum, constipation or diarrhea, it's really good for both to help soothe that inflammation in your gut. So you can turn to this topically. You can rub it on the belly, or you could take a drop internally or in a veggie capsule if you're dealing with that type of stomach upset. I've also found that it's really good for any congestion you have. And if you have congestion in your ears after you fly or something like that, you can actually apply it down the side of your neck, and it will help promote moving along of that fluid. So that's a cool tip. The third blend that comes in the kit, this is Deep Blue. So we talked about this a little bit with our tension evening. This is the soothing blend. It's really good for tight muscles. It's really good for any discomfort that your body may have. This is really good. You can use it topically on those areas of concern. And then the last oil that comes in the starter kit, this is On Guard. This is the protective blend. This is your immune support. This is your, you can use it on your countertops to spray down and disinfect. You can use it in your immune support topically down the spine, bottoms of the feet. You can use it, we use it in our hand soap. It's in our toothpaste. It's in all sorts of things in our house. It's actually in our laundry soap, everything. So On Guard is the protective blend, really good for immune support. And we really think that it's made a huge difference in us getting sick and doing the preventative. That's one of my main things, is that people ask about oils when they're dealing with something actively. And my biggest encouragement is to be proactive with your oils, to be using the On Guard in your system daily, be taking the supplements daily, be doing those things repetitively so that you're not coming down with things, because if your body is being supported all along, it makes it a whole lot easier to fight something that comes up. And it also will help prolong your ability to deal with those things and hopefully help you to get over those things quicker, because oils are not meant to be a quick fix. They're meant to be a substantial thing that you're doing, you know, along every day, all day long, taking the time out of your day to, you know, use the oils and apply them, not just turn to them when you're sick or something does hurt. You know, we want to be using them along the whole day. So that's why the Lifelong Vitality Pack is so important, to help get those things into your body and be taking them every day. So don't forget, if you want to get started with oils this month, the rest of June, so we've only got about 2 days left, please reach out to me. If you get any of the starter kits, which the Home Essentials kit, which we just reviewed, or some of my smaller kits are also going to qualify for this deal, and you can get this entire box set for free if you get started with any kit in the month of June. So let me know if there's something I can help you with. Of course, let me know if there's anything that you're struggling with. I love to help people find those natural solutions and what they can turn to. So reach out, let me know what's going on. Thanks for joining me tonight, and I hope you have a good Friday and enjoy your weekend. See ya.